Hi everyone, I am Abdullah Aslam from Bahria University, Islamabad. I was a part of batch 16 of online internship platform Interns Pakistan. So as a project, I've developed an online toy store called Toyland. I've added a top header, a navigation menu, and the homepage is designed in sections. First section is of featured products. This section displays maximum of 4 products, and these products are automatically picked from the product section that are marked as star. The next section is of new arrival. All these products are sorted based on the date added in descending order. The next section is for babies. These products are filtered using the age product category. The last section is of an image carousel showing partners, and the end of page is at a footer that has 2 sections for customer and quick links. The next page is shop page. On the shop page, all the products are shown here and the view can be changed from grid view to list view. Products can also be filtered by price, categories, and their sorting can also be changed. We'll come back to adding product to cart and wish list after I show you the about page and the contact page. And the about page, I took a free template for it and just integrated into my website. It is a sample about page. And the contact page is also designed using a template, and it allows user to enter their details and the subject and message and send it. I've added a visit us, call us, and contact us, address for visit us, phone number for call us, and email for visit us. I've also added a Google Map location of Rawalpindi, Kent over here. Now going back to the shop page where I'll tell you how to add a product to cart or wish list. I'll add this product to wish list and I'll add this teddy bear to cart. By clicking on this product, I'll go to the product description page. I'll add 2 in number and add this product to cart. Now I can go to view cart and check out this product. This is the product, this is the total, and the shipping is currently set to Punjab. I've added different uh, rates for different provinces. If you choose Khyber Pakhtunkhwa and click update, see the flat rate over here will change. As you can see, the flat rate of shipping has changed. Now I click proceed to checkout, and here I've filled the details. It's fetched all the details that I added earlier, and I've selected cash on delivery and place order. Now this order will be placed and I can track this order. Now the order number is 289. I'll track this order by going to track orders 289 and my email. I click on track and it will show me the status. So order 289 was placed on September 29, 2020 and is currently processing. These are all the order details. I can now also check the cart and the cart is empty. I can also show you the wish list and the product I added will be over here. This is the product I added to wish list and these are being displayed over here. This is all that I did, and thanks for being a part of my presentation.